y'all, welcome back. This is Kina with Sweet Gem Life. Today we are unboxing the Simply Gilded April 2021 box titled Natural Beauty. As you can see, it has this beautiful floral design here. We've got all the nudes and the pinks and the greens and the mauves, and it's just a beautiful box. On top of that, we've got silver foil and we've got some leopard. Do y'all see that? This box is absolutely beautiful. If you're interested in seeing what's in this box, stay tuned. Okay, here is the menu card for the month. It says Natural Beauty April 2021 box, and it just lists the items that are in the box, including the mystery item. I will be revealing the mystery item at the end of this video. I will give you a warning in case you don't want the surprise spoiled for you, and you'll be able to go ahead and exit from the video and not have your surprise spoiled. So we'll go in order of the items on the card. The first item up is the foiled journaling card, and she is pretty. We have Miss Big Cat Rescue up here with a foiled bow. How did I just bungle that? With this mint background. So this is the journaling card. Next up, we have our washi tapes. Y'all, I did go in and open up these washi tapes because you know it takes me forever to unpack and unwrap these washi tapes. So I did go in and pre-unwrap them. But the washi this month, like every month, is absolutely beautiful, y'all. So here is the kit washi, the actual box washi. And then I have the 5mm add-on, so I have 4 additional rolls. So let's do this wiggle so you can get all of the light here. And I'll go ahead and roll this out. Alright, y'all, so here is the washi all rolled out, so you guys can get a good glimpse of this. Y'all, it wasn't until I rolled this out that I realized that this tan color doesn't have silver bows. It's kind of, well, it looks silver, but then it looks bronze, and it's giving you a little bit of everything, y'all. So I wonder if this is meant to be tone on tone. Either way, it's super pretty. It's like that also in the heart and vine up here. So here is the washi from this month's box all rolled out. Again, this is the main, ooh, tear it up. This here is the main box washi, and this is the 5mm add-on. The next item on the list is the Deluxe sticker kit and seals. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. So we have several pages here. These are the 2 main kit pages. We have our 3 sets of date covers, full boxes. We've got some checklists, some heart bows, some headers, some flags, and some deco here. Some icons here. This next sheet has the heart icons. Pretty much everything you can think of. Credit cards, trash day. We've got some bows, cleaning, laundry, meal planning, exercise, car, camera, TV. There's a book here. So you've got a bunch of those. Then you've got your full month of heart dates and some icons down here. Then you have the mini sheet. You've got half boxes, checklists, and some deco in one full box. And then we have our bow seals. Very, very pretty. The next item in the box is this B6 stitched binding notebook. You guys know I never open this because I don't use anything B6 size, so I tend to either give these away or sell them. I'm actually getting ready to sell a bunch of B6 notebooks from Simply Gilded. So this is the B6 stitch binding notebook. Next up is this month's pen, which is super interesting. We have the silver. It's continuing with the silver, but there is a leopard print. Yes, and it is engraved, and y'all, it's pretty, I have to admit. So we have the Simply Gilded engraving here with the bow on top, and we have a black gel ink pen. Y'all, these pens are everything. I say this every month. They are so smooth, and they have a bit of weight to them, and I love these pens. So this is the engraved gel ink pen for the month. Next item in the box is the Vellum sticky notes. Y'all, I have so many sticky notes now, but the florals, you know I'm all about the florals right now. So there's that. And it does, oh, that's pretty. It does have the silver foiled heart embossed in there. Super pretty. And y'all know I'm a sucker for Vellum sticky notes. They're just thick, and they're just different. It's hard to explain it. So these are the Vellum stick. Next up, we have our paper pack, you might as well say, for the month. And I believe we got something a little extra. Normally we get 1 sheet of vellum, 1 sheet of acetate. Yes, this month we got 2 sheets of vellum. So we have the floral print with the silver bows and stars. Very pretty. Then we have this leopard print. That's the vellum, and then here's the acetate. We have the roses and the swallows. Are they swallows? Those are swallows, right? I'm pretty sure those are swallows. So this is the acetate and vellum sheet set. And as per usual, I missed an item. This is the B6 Traveler notebook cover. Love this floral print. It's so pretty. So we do have the silver hardware. We have our D-ring down here. Let's open this up. Oh, pen loop. Oh, blue. And we've got some tea strings. So this is super pretty for those that use the B6 size. We have a pocket here, another smaller pocket, the Simply Gilded engraved down here, and we've got this pen loop. So if you're ready for a whole new TN setup, you're a TN kind of girl, this is for you. Right in time for the spring. This is the B6 Traveler notebook cover. The next item coming up is the mystery item. If you're not interested in seeing the mystery item, thank you for watching this video. You may exit now, and I'll see you in the next one. But for those of you that are interested in seeing the mystery item, boom, we have these sticky note tabs that match the color scheme and print perfectly for the month. So let's get into it. So we have Peach Sand. I love that she named them for us. Peach Sand, Leopard, Wild Oat, Spring Mix, and Sweetwater. Super pretty. Super functional. This is the mystery item. Sticky note tabs for the month. So guys, this is the April 2021 Simply Gilded box titled Natural Beauty. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, comment, share, of course subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.